Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify with Alibaba step by step. First, establish your Shopify store, focusing on a clear brand identity and product organization. Next, navigate to Alibaba and begin your product research. Utilize search filters to pinpoint trending items and assess their market viability. Look for products with strong sales potential and a healthy profit margin, ensuring your business starts on a solid foundation. This initial setup is crucial for a successful venture. Once you have identified potential products, it's time to find reliable suppliers on Alibaba. Prioritize those with trade assurance and verified supplier badges for added security. Reach out to at least 3 to 5 suppliers, providing precise product specifications and your desired order volume. Be prepared to negotiate minimum order quantities, often starting around 50 to 100 units, and unit prices to secure the best deal for your business. Clear communication is key here. Before committing to a large order, always request samples from your top 2 or 3 suppliers. This crucial step allows you to personally assess the product's quality, material, and overall craftsmanship. Examine every detail, from stitching to functionality, ensuring it meets your expectations. Establishing clear quality control standards at this stage, perhaps a defect rate below 2%, will prevent costly issues down the line and protect your brand's reputation. Finally, determine your fulfillment and shipping strategy. You can opt for dropshipping, where the supplier ships directly to your customer, or manage your own inventory. Select a shipping method that balances cost-effectiveness with delivery speed, such as air freight for faster delivery or sea freight for larger, less urgent orders. Ensure you have a system to track orders and provide timely updates to your customers, maintaining transparency throughout the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.